Hawthorn, Crataegus genus, there's many of them, can reach up to 15 metres. That's the traditional common hawthorn, Crataegus monogyna. And they also live for a very long time. You'll often find them in other kind of hedges as a mix, like a natural fence, with other shrubs and bushes like blackthorn, which is slow. And you find it pretty much everywhere, other than where the soil is incredibly sandy. Thorns are pretty profuse. You get those stuck in you, you're going to know it. Look at those, amazing. And you can see why it looks like a rose thorn, because you have these little thorns that come off the main big spike. These are the leaf, a very distinct pattern. And quite distinct veining on the underside. Just pay attention there. No need to rush, take in the detail as you see it. These are the little fruits. Depending on which species you actually find, they can almost look dark purple. Inside each of these fruits is a single stone, single seed, and these fruits are known as haws, the haws of hawthorn. These haws often appear like little apples, so I'm just going to slice it open so you can see it. As you can see, almost like the red skin of an apple. And if I peel that away and break it open, there is that single seed, which we don't consume. So when we cook with this fruit, we sieve and remove that seed. If you want to know how to use this plant in cooking and recipes, visit eatweeds.co.uk/recipes.